Okay, so for 19, we have a group of college students who believe that the average grades in a psychology course are different than the average grades in biology courses. The group found the average psychology grades of a sample of 12 students was 85.4, and the average biology grades of a sample of 11 students was 81.2. What is the null hypothesis? I'm going to write this out even though we're asking a simple question here. So let's say psychology, just so you see how we write this out in biology. Okay, so sample of 12 students for psychology and a sample of 11 students for biology. For that sample of 12, the average was 85.4. For the sample of 11, the average was 81.2. That's the information we have there. I just, put it in a format. Okay, so we want the null hypothesis and the alternative hypothesis. Remember, the null hypothesis is a statement of equality. Since these are a two-sample test, it'll be mu1 equals mu2. But if I'm getting more specific, the population mean for psychology is equal to the population mean for biology. The alternative hypothesis, they believe that the average grades in psychology courses are different than the average grade. So they're just different. The alternative hypothesis is that they're not the same. They're different. The average grades in psych might be less, it might be greater, we don't know. But all they're claiming is that the grades are different. And that's the null and alternative hypotheses. Oh, they just want the null. So even simpler. That's the null right there.